Rest of them, let them jingle, bingle, bingle, jingle. On top of this, we're going to add, for Bakrid, we have to make at least 5-6 of meat items. Today, we're going to make Keema Biryani. Very nice mincemeat. There is small amount of fat. In this, add salt, add some crushed pepper, mint leaf, some chopped coriander, and also add garam masala. In this, we're going to add a very good flavoring, that is fried chana flour. This also acts like a binding. Make sure you add fried chana flour because it has got a very neutral flavor. Little bit of chili powder and mix all of this together. I'm also going to add a little bit of egg white. This is a leftover egg white I have, so which I'm going to add with this. We're going to mix all of this and we're going to make those meatballs, Kachhi Biryani. This is a little bit of rough keema. The egg will help, and just make this into nice dumplings like this. So the kebabs will cook nice, and when you put that makhani flavor to it, it's going to be so good. Look at this nice meat balls, they're ready, and we're going to put the awesome spicy makhani for this, not the sweetish one which goes good with chicken. Add oil in this. Now transfer the meatballs. Just make sure they don't touch each other. After them frying little bit, turn these kebabs to the other side. Look at them carefully, take them and put it on a plate. Now we're going to make the spicy makhani gravy. For this, first we're going to brown the onions because it has to be biryani flavor too. So add chopped onion, add salt and cook these onions till the onions are slightly colored. Add ginger garlic paste, some green chili, red chili powder, and I've got some Kashmiri chili powder for color also, coriander powder, cumin powder, pinch of garam masala powder, and mix all of this. In this, add tomato puree. We're going to cook till some of the oil comes out of this mixture. That is when the tomatoes are fully cooked. In this, we're going to add some butter. This butter will give a very good flavoring. The makhani flavoring is kasuri methi powder, so we're going to add some of the kasuri methi powder. In this, we're going to add some cashew nut. This is a cashew nut powder, so this will give a consistency and slightly thickness for the gravy. Add curd, 1 cup of curd, and mix this. Also add some water and bring this to a boil. In this, add salt and adjust the taste. Now the gravy is come to a boil. I've got water here which is boiling. This is for the rice. In this, add salt. In this, add whole garam masala. Now makhani gravy is also looking good. In this, these kofta balls we're going to add in the makhani sauce. Let it simmer on a slow flame and then we're going to put rice on top. Before putting the rice, we're going to take some gravy out and again put it on top. Before adding rice, add some oil and the soaked basmati rice. Put it in this. Let it cook till it is almost 80% done because these koftas are almost cooked. Makhani gravy, and we're going to put it on top. Now, rest of them, let them jingle, bingle, bingle, jingle. On top of this, we're going to add rice. Look at them. Rice, you have to throw it carefully. What I mean to say is, spread it. So, when you spread it, there will be an air gap. That air gap will make this rice spread, expand more, and it will make it perfect. Now, the makhani sauce, whatever we have taken, we're just going to pour some. The saffron water, add a little bit of butter, and on top of this, add some coriander. Now, look at this. We're going to make the airtight lid and put it there carefully and slowly do the dance, and the pressure is building. Okay, that's it. And on a slow flame for around 15 minutes. So the steam will build up and it will help the rice cook little more further and expand. And when it's done, it's ready to serve. Serve it with your raita, or for Bakrid, we make a lot of other recipes also. Just enjoy it with a lot of those salans and gravies. This is, देखो भैया, ये खुशबूदार बिरयानी हमने थोड़ा भूल गया हमारा हैदराबादी बिरयानी देखते ही I almost forgot, the moment I saw biryani, I became a perfect Hyderabadi. Here, the makhani the rice, and look at this beautiful variations of rice. Take the rice and spread it. Go down, bring the balls up, and look at these koftas. Slightly, they need to, touch at the bottom. Dear friends, the Kofta Makhani Biryani. Also, sprinkle some brown onion. My Bakrid special mutton Kofta Makhani Biryani. बीवी जी आ गया मेरा बीवी आप बिरयानी बोले तो आ गई आजा आजा ये बिरयानी खा जा ये कोफ्ता वाला बिरयानी बस है ना आपको बस आज दे दे Queen Victoria is here so some lemon juice and raita also I'm going to pour some raita for you here some dahi raita thank you Queen Victoria the whole idea is to enjoy various kinds of preparation during Bakrid. And dear friends, all I tell you is make it, this is very, very hot. Mutton koftas are just too good, perfectly done. Keep cooking, and when you eat best of the best food, you got to say ding chick, ding chick, ding chick. Aha, perfect. Once again, I wish you all in advance happy Bakrid. And we're going to make a lot more recipes. Keep watching and keep cooking good food and enjoy. Awesome.